हाय गाइस, तो आज इसमें होगा क्लास 10th की इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। ठीक, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। ठीक, तो इसमें जानो रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ कंडक्ट of length L and cross section area A is given R is equal to rho L upon A. Rho is the resistivity of material of conductor. It is defined as resistance is the offer by cube of material outside 1 meter when current flow perpendicular to the face of cube. A unit of resistivity is ohm meter. ठीक, for metallic conductor resistivity as such resistance increasing with the increasing in temperature. For alloys such as cast and ठीक magnesium, the resistivity of the practically remains same with increasing with temperature. For the semiconductor germanium, silicon and carbon, resistivity decreasing with increasing temperature. For insulator, resistivity decrease with the rising temperature. Superconductor are material which have zero resistivity at a particular temperature is called critical temperature. For example, mercury at 4.2 Kelvin, oxide of the barium and lanthanum, and copper at 0.40 Kelvin. Kitten recently discovered material at about 120 Kelvin measured, which are the superconductor at room temperature 300 Kelvin, are still a dream is realized. R is equal to rho L upon A. R is the resistance of conductor of length L and cross section area A and resistivity rho. Unit of rho ohm meter if length is the measured in meter. ठीक, फिर कह रहा है equivalent resistance RS is series circuit in some individual resistance RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. In the case of n resistance, each resistance R in series, equivalent resistance RS मतलब resistance of series is equal to NR. PD across each resistance in the series circuit is perpendicular to each resistance. Current in the series circuit independent on variable principle of resistor. Equivalent resistance is larger than the largest resistance in the series. Series of combination of resistance is used when resistance in the circuit is increased or swap current is to decrease. A number of resistance is said to be connected in the parallel if one end of resistance is connected with the one point and other end is connected with another point. Potential difference for the R resistance in parallel circuit is same and is equal applied.